You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove the curved surface area of cone. So let's go. So here you can clearly see that this is the base radius of the cone, this is the height of the cone, and this is the slant length of the cone. And from here, if I cut the cone, then what we will get is we will get this type of surface. Now here you can see that the circumference of the base circle is 2 pi r, and this is also that same thing, 2 pi r. And now this is the slant length, and if I cut it, so this will be also L, and I will draw a circle like that. Okay, so we can write the area of the bigger circle as pi L square, and we can write the circumference of the bigger circle as 2 pi L. So clearly we can say that in the length of 2 pi L we get the area of the circle as pi L square. So in the length of 2 pi R we get the area of the sector of the circle, and this sector area will be the curved surface area of the cone. So in 1 unit of length we get the area of the very smaller sector of the circle, which is pi L square over 2 pi L. So in the length of 2 pi R we get the area of this sector, which is pi L square over 2 pi L into 2 pi R. 2 pi cancel out, L cancel out, we get pi RL, which is the area of this sector, and this will be the curved surface area of the cone. Now see the demonstration if you don't understand much well. So this is the cone, this is the slant length, and you can clearly see this is the radius. Think in 3D. Okay, so this is the radius, and this will be the 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the base circle. Okay, and this is the height, which is like this, perpendicular, okay, to the base circle. Okay, so as I have told you, the circumference of the base circle is 2 pi r, and when I open this, you can see that this is 2 pi r as well. So this is the slant length, which will become the radius of the bigger circle because it's the sector of the bigger circle. Okay, and that's all the surgery of the cone. Okay, hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.